Hola, soy Nicolás, soy de Mexico. I came first for horse riding, but then after I came for soccer because I didn't like that much riding here. Soccer provincials, when we went to Vancouver and play, that was cool. Maybe boarding is nice and the rooms are nice. Soccer is fun, play here soccer, and yeah, it's fun here. Gracias.
Hola, me llamo Victoria y soy de Mexico. Okay, well, my brother graduated and he told me he had great leadership opportunities, which is something that I've always been looking forward to do. I took a chance and don't regret it. I think that the greatest thing that QMS has is the community. A lot of community events that I've been to or been part of, such as the soccer team, are something that I will carry on throughout my whole life. And I think boarding especially is a great way to really improve yourself and really get to know who you want to be and who you want to become. Gracias.
Hola, soy Joan y soy de Mexico. I chose QMS mainly because it has a big campus. We get to do a lot of activities because of it. I think it's a really inclusive place because we have people from everywhere. Probably meeting new people, especially day students, because I think that was really a nice experience because it was something new. At first, it was something scary, but like I think it's the best thing that's happened to me. So they should choose QMS because it's like a family. Everybody's treated equally, and like I just think it's a perfect place for everyone, no matter who they are or what they want for their future. Gracias.